When packing for Allegiant Airlines, it's important to follow their baggage policies to avoid extra fees or inconveniences. Visit their baggage policy page for the most accurate and up-to-date information. For personal items, every passenger is allowed one personal item for free. This could be a backpack, purse, or laptop bag, and it must fit under the seat in front of you. The maximum dimensions are 7 by 15 by 16 inches. Carry-on bags are not included in the ticket price and must be purchased separately. These bags must fit in the overhead bin and should not exceed 9 by 14 by 22 inches, including the wheels and handles. Checked bags also require an additional fee. Each bag should not exceed 40 pounds in weight and 80 linear inches. Oversized or overweight bags will incur extra charges. Lastly, if you plan to check bags, add them to your booking in advance via the Allegiant website to save on costs. Double check your baggage at the airport to ensure it complies with the size and weight limits.